Hello and welcome back to In with Aishamie. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a stunning, beautiful AI image for your business. Yes, for your business. So, we are working with Play Store. On your Play Store, click on your Play Store. This is my Play Store. Then, click on it. Search on your search bar. Then click on Meta AI. Meta AI. Can you see Meta AI? Meta AI. Then click on, then search. Yes, this is Meta AI. This is what we are looking for. I've already installed it on my phone, so he asked me to update it. So I'm going to be updating it for you. You are just going to download it and install it on your phone. Yes, download and install it on your phone. So it's downloading. So then you click on open. Yes, you click on open. So click on open. So once you download it, so you log in with, so I've logged in already. I use my Instagram to log in. So you log in with either your Facebook or Instagram. It's because that AI and this Meta AI is the one that owns Facebook and Instagram with WhatsApp also. So it's going to ask you that you should log in with your Facebook, either Facebook or Instagram. So you log in with one of them. This one is not about Google. You log in with either Facebook. So free to log in to this Meta AI, because Meta AI, they are not going to do anything with your login details. So you can log in with anything and with Facebook and Instagram. So just click on and log in. After logging in, it's going to show you this interface. Then it's going to show you ask Meta AI. Can you see this? Ask Meta AI. Then you click on it. So after clicking on it, so you paste your prompt that you generate from ChatGPT to create your stunning image. You know how, if you have watched the previous video, so I don't want to go there. So if I know that if you are here now, you will have watched the previous video. So if you have not watched the previous video, so go back and watch it. How to crack prompt with ChatGPT. So if you see any picture, just tell ChatGPT that you want to create something like this. So it's going to give you a prompt for it. So the prompt that we generate, I'm going to paste it here. You press down on this ask me. Hey, sorry. Yes, this is my prompt. So they click on the prompt. I've generated before, but I just want to show you how to generate. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT give me. So it's generating. Meta AI is bringing it out. So with this AI, Meta AI, you can use this to generate any AI image. Can you see what it give me? Wow. And why is showing, I don't know, it's showing American woman, but I love it like that. So it's just an example. You know that it's just an example. If it bring you something like this, that the image there is if the image there is American image, American lady, you go back to ChatGPT that should give you prompt that the woman should be there is a confident woman. You can change it, edit it to a confident African woman. Yes, so you edit it. If even without ChatGPT, you edit it yourself. Where you see a confident woman, is because it's not saying maybe it's American or African woman. You can say a confident African woman. You edit it yourself. Just write African woman. You see, If you say African woman, it's going to give you African woman. So it's going to give you African. Then you click on one, then you see where you see save. Then tap on it. Then it's going to save on your phone. So just choose. It's going to give you 4. So anyone you like. This one is like 3D. So you just choose anyone you like. Then copy. So this thing that I'm showing, this image, you know that you can make a lot of money with just this image that you are seeing. Yes, how you can make money with this image? What you need to do is just go to a printer. Tell a printer, if you know how to create frame, you can use it as a frame. You can generate many image, then start using to do frame. Or yes, you use it to do frame. Start posting it. You may see someone that love it. It may not be Aishamie Studio. No, maybe not for your brand. Just maybe you write any good speech. Maybe be yourself. Believe in yourself. Life goes on. So something like that. You can generate it with all this. What you need is just a prompt. This AI, what they need is a prompt. A prompt is to bring something to life. Yes, to bring any image to life is a prompt. So what all this AI needs is that to give them a prompt. So can you see how lovely it is? So this design, you may post it. Some Igbo, some this US people may see it on Instagram or Facebook. They say, they love this design. Can you create something like this for their brand? And you tell them, yes, I can create it for you. Then you collect your money. Maybe you can say $10. You know how much $10 is? Now you can say $10, $5. You can start small. Even Nigeria, I can create it for your business. Yes, I'm the one that creates it. Just start posting, just write content. If you are interested in creating this and this for your brand, then you see someone, maybe like 2, 1. If you start doing it like that, I need it to create it for my brand. I love it. It's very beautiful. You may see all these people that they used to generate. They use all these Pinterest frame that used to do this Pinterest frame. Yes, you can see them. You can see you may see, if after posting it, they will say, I loved your image. Can you sell it? How can you do it for us? You tell them, I can create it. I'm the one that do it. Then you collect your money and do it. How many minutes? Generate image with free too. What you need is just your data. Then you buy data. Yes, 500 data. You create it and send it to them. Say how lovely it is. Can you see? Then use it for you can if you are doing frame, you can use it for frame. So that's how you go about it. That's how you go about it. You are making money. What you need is just a skill. You need a skill. Yes. To make money. To have money is not easy. With this your smartphone, what I'm showing you, I paid for it. Yes, I paid for it. So what you need to help me is that please like and comment and subscribe to this channel. Please. You are not paying anything. You are not paying a dime. Even if you want to join my advanced class, you are going to 100 level like that. To join my I have advanced class, but this free lesson, with this free, you make money with this free. So I'm giving you tips. That's what you can do. You say, it's just generating me. See this image that you see. If you want to go and you pay, if you want to pay for this image, you want to generate. See how it's fine. If you want to, you know how much you pay. You know how much you pay. If you go to this AI studio, this graphic design, if you go and meet graphic design to generate this for you, all this graphic design, you know how much you pay for this image that you just pay for by yourself. So what you need to do is, if this video is helpful, please like and comment, then subscribe to this channel. because every week I'm going to be giving you beautiful tips, beautiful contents that you can use to make money. Yes, to make money online. So that then you save it, take it to graphic design to print it out for you. Then you give even maybe you want to use it for a frame, like I said before, then make it as a frame. If they see it in your inside your office, they will say, ah, I love this frame, they will not know that you are the one that. And if you want to create it, I can do it for you now. Then you collect your money. You don't turn to billionaire. So what you need is to stay consistent and have it in mind that you want to learn. Yes, have it in mind that you want to learn and stay consistent. That's it. To make money, you must have something tangible, a tangible skill to get money. So that's how to generate beautiful, stunning AI image for your brand. So that's it. See you in the next video.